Thank you for choosing to tour a home from the Susman collection. If you have any questions about this or any other homes, please call 954-478-0974. I look forward to hearing from you soon. A rare find. One of only a handful of this incredible semi-custom floor plan in all of Weston. Spectacular 5 bedrooms, plus an office. Brand new roof and AC. Updated kitchen with wood cabinetry and newer stainless appliances, stone-like tile in living areas. New stunning driftwood laminate floors in bedrooms. Recently updated bathrooms. Oversized corner lot on a quiet interior street. Relax poolside in your private backyard. Oasis walking distance to A-rated schools, public library and Broward College satellite campus. Tons of neighborhood amenities including pool, aquatic tot lot, clubhouse, basketball, roller hockey and several play areas throughout the community. 2 24-hour man guard houses. Amazing area parks and recreation walking and biking paths galore. Call today.